we'll guide you through how to apply a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once your project is open, go to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll be able to apply your LUT. On the right side, you'll see the LUTs panel. If it's not visible, click on the LUTs button to open it. Now, you need to locate the LUT you wish to apply. You can either use the default LUTs provided by DaVinci Resolve or import your own by right-clicking in the LUTs panel and selecting Import. Navigate to where your LUT file is saved, select it, and click Open. Once your LUT is imported, you can see it in the LUTs panel. To apply the LUT to your footage, simply click and drag the LUT onto the node in the node editor where you want to apply it. You'll immediately see the color transformation on your footage. If you want to adjust the intensity of the LUT, you can do so by selecting the node and adjusting the key output gain in the Key tab, which allows you to fine-tune how much of the LUT effect is applied. Experiment with different LUTs and adjustments to find the look that best suits your project. And that's how you apply a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.